Okay, we're off. Small adventure in Herb, going to Rutland Water, and got to get some fuel from Tesco's first. Blue, sunny day, but bitterly cold. Good autumn colours. Today, the light, isn't it? You're going to have to go and get the door. Open the door, I can't press the button. Press the green button. Yeah. That's it. Now I've got to move the van. The other side of the barrier. Well, we've arrived at Rutland Water at Sykes Lane, and just setting up. And Jane was about to plug the electric kettle in, but there's no electric hook up here, so that goes away. So we're back to the gas, and we got the gas fire on because it's only a couple of degrees outside, and it's lovely and warm.
It's been on fire.
Yeah, just been over the toilet block, come back, and the van's warm. You can have it lit. Yeah.
I think it's about out of this one.
It's cold, gas is cold.
I mean this, the flame on it is.
I just want refilling to go home.
Go home with this.
Huh?
The cutlery.
Everything is cold. Yeah. So we're just having coffee, but we're going to have chicken curry with.
Yes.
No, later. Yeah. 12 o'clock exact. And we're like a magnet. As soon as we arrive in this great big car park, there has to be a van that pulls up alongside us. Never mind. Right, out for an autumn walk at Rutland Water. Herb is parked there, having a rest. Left the gas fire on. Ooh.
Got the gas to cook.
Yeah, we've got a camping stove. We've got the a day bag in the van, so we've got gas. Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, we probably find we run out of gas, and you won't be able to cook the dinner apart from on the little camp stove. Hello. Yeah, that was in the shade. Yeah, I'm just yeah, they're like teddy bears. Yeah, yeah. There's a bit of a shade there. Into the sun, and we're a few minutes from Whitwell, which is this bit here. You can hear a chainsaw working. I wonder if it's the one I sold. Walking back from Whitwell, going back to Herb to have chicken curry and rice.
We hope.
We hope. We left the gas fire on. Will there be any gas? We don't know, but we'll manage to. We have to set fire to the woods. We'll have something hot. Some lovely houses, or hills with big trees. And they've got a big plastic cow in the garden. See the back of it? Yeah. Looks a bit too shiny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If it was a matte finish, I think it would look more realistic from a distance. Still, it's a lovely spot for it. Yeah, little crab apples. And these are not real sheep, you know. Gosh, look at over there. It's lovely, isn't it? Glad we came out. If we'd come out yesterday, it would have been miserable, wouldn't it?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, back in the van, and this thermometer says it's 22 degrees and it's 2 o'clock, and yeah, we're going to have some food in a minute. Jane's the chef today. Come on, let's look at your t-shirt. Herbs goes south.
Herb went south.
Yeah, we've been south. That's good. Yeah, there's a lot of wood in this van. I like it. I know why some people rip it out, and alright, it's dated, but it's retro, isn't it? I like it. And what's happening with the? Yeah, the solar panels are actually put some charge, which is good. It's all happening here today. Any alcohol? Oh, because I'm driving. Oh well. Just fancy a beer. Won't you? I could have a glass of wine when we get home.
Yeah.
Chicken curry is served. Sitting with me back to the sun at the moment because it's blinding me coming through the window. It's really good. Yours all right? Okay, YouTubers, just go over a few things I've done to the van. And originally had these fluorescent lights up here, and I've changed them for modern LEDs. And these lights you can pick up 2 for about £7. So I've put one in there and one over there, the other side. And I've put in the cab area, I put one up there and another one there. Now I don't know where you notice, I just got look here. I've put some wood up there so we can put our cloth patches up for the places we've been. And because we've now had about 15 weeks away this year in the van, we've been to a lot of places. So these were mainly Scotland and things like that. And I've put another one up here in the van. Cornwall, Salcombe, Devon, Moggles Mount, Ilfracombe, St Ives, Tintagel, Perranporth, Dawlish, Weymouth, Looe. I haven't got Lizard Point put up yet. What else have I done? Yes, I've worked on the extractor fan which failed, and I fitted a new one which is just here above the cooker. It's got new, yeah, I can just about hear it running. I'll switch it off. What else have I done? I put a oh yes, I've put a mains light in here which is 230 volt, and the other side of the van I've got a task light which is 12 volt, and that's the TV amplifier sitting there. Oh gosh, what else have I done? Yes, I've we had the windscreen wiper rubbers go, so I fitted new ones recently, and the mirror, the original mirror was broken on the van, and what I've done, I bought a glue on the windscreen one, but it kept on falling off, and with the heat from the sun made the adhesive go a bit peculiar, glue type, chewing gum sort of effect. So what I've done, I've drilled it here and put 2 screws in. It's 20, Jay's just come back. Hello. It's 20, it's gone down a bit. It's about 22 degrees, 23 in here. So it's quite warm.